In this tutorial, I am going to show you how you can completely uninstall or remove Vivaldi browser from your Windows 10 or 11. So for it, you just need to go to your Windows search option. Then you need to look for or right over here setting. Here you can see settings. After that, you need to go to the apps. Then here you can see install apps. Go inside and here you need to look for the Vivaldi browser. So I'm just going to search over here Vivaldi. Here you can see Vivaldi. So we need to click on this three dot, click on uninstall, click here uninstall again, and I'm going to select also delete your browsing data, then click on uninstall. So this will uninstall Vivaldi browser from your Windows system. After that, we're going to close this. So once you uninstall Vivaldi browser from here, Vivaldi will be completely removed from your system. So there is no hidden files or folder for Vivaldi. So yeah, thanks for watching. Make sure to subscribe and I hope to see you in the future tutorials.